What's up, guys? Welcome to another fantastic video. Guys, in today's video we are going to be looking at arbitrage business, PayPal arbitrage business in 2024. So I'm going to show you everything we need to know and everything you need to do in order for you to make this business profitable for yourself. So we're going to be using PayPal, we're going to be using Payoneer, we can also use Geegpay, we can also use Grill, and so many other platforms I'm going to show you in today's video. So all I want you to do is to watch this video to the end, because by the end of this video I will have showed you everything you need to know from the very first step to the last very step. So I'm going to go to my laptop right now to show you everything you need to know about this PayPal arbitrage business, where you're going to, how you can get PayPal funds, and how you can go about selling the PayPal funds or converting it in order for you to make profit. So if you're interested, make sure you watch this video to the end. Now, before I go straight to my laptop and show you everything you need to know, make sure you're subscribed to the channel and you have turned on the bell notification icon so that you won't miss any video once I drop them on the channel. So without wasting your time, let's get straight to my laptop so I can show you everything you need to know. Hello guys, what's up? So this is my laptop screen right now. So in today's video, like I said already, I'm going to show you exactly how to go about your PayPal arbitrage business. So if you look at it right here on the screen right now, this is my PayPal account. It's a business PayPal account that I've created, and I've showed you guys exactly how to create a PayPal account that sends and receives money. So if you don't know how to do that, make sure you watch my video, one of my videos on the channel. I have actually showed you exactly how to do that. Okay, so now this is a PayPal business account. You need to have this account in order for you to do this arbitrage. Okay, so once you have this PayPal business account right now, so all you need to do right now is to make sure you also come to this platform called Geegpay.Africa. Now I've gone ahead to log in my platform, but you need to make sure you create an account. Okay, so we are going to use this platform to link, because this platform, once you create an account and you request for your bank account in USD, euros and GBP, they are going to create those accounts for you. So you're going to have an account in euros, you're going to have account in pounds, and also going to have a USD account. So once you have those accounts, and they're going to give you a USD account in Wells Fargo. Okay, they're going to give you the IBAN number, the type of account checking. They're going to also give you the routing number. I'm sorry. So now once you have this account set up and you have your PayPal account set up as well, so what you want to do first is to go to this section called finance. Now depending on the type of PayPal you have, you can go to paid and get paid to see it, or you can go to finance. So but what you're looking for is this platform, this section that says here banks and cards. So all you need to do now is to click on banks and cards. Okay, once you click on banks and card, it's actually going to load up and take you to the platform where you are going to link your bank or your card. So you need to do this in order for you to be able to withdraw your money out of PayPal, and also for you to be able to verify your account with PayPal. So look at the bank I have linked. I have linked this bank, and this is my Wells Fargo bank. As you can see, Wells Fargo, and this is Payoneer card that I linked to this PayPal. I've showed you guys exactly how to do it in subsequent videos, so make sure to watch my other videos. Okay, so right now, once you've linked a bank, if you don't know how to do it, just click on this link a bank. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to a prompt, the page where you can now go ahead to link your bank. So if your bank is not here, so what I do is I'll just search for other banks. So if you search for other banks and it's still not there, then you just come over here, and as you can see, just click here. It's going to say start typing your bank name. So I can say something like VOWW. So as you can see, this bank couldn't be found, so now it has the section that says here enter your bank details. So that is exactly what we want to click on. So once it takes you to this section, as you can see here, it's going to take you to US bank account, which type of account checking, routing number. You paste the routing number you're getting from Geegpay, you paste it here, and then which type of account is it, savings or checkings. You just select the one you want, and then you come over here to the account number. Then you go ahead and copy the account number and paste here. So you can also select if this account name is your name or your business name. So whichever one it is, just select what is right and click on authorize link. So it's going to actually take you click on authorize this. So it's actually going to take you a few days for you to be able to link your bank, because sometimes PayPal will normally send you a few deposits to the bank for you to enter the deposit later on, in order for them to confirm you own the account you're actually linking. So yeah, it's better to know that. So now that I have done this this section, what you need to do right now is to go back to PayPal, and so go back to PayPal. So once you are here on PayPal, we're going to do a few things. Okay, So we're going to do a few things. So right here we're on the platform right now. So what we need to do is I need to show you a few things. So if you just create your PayPal account and it's fairly new, just like this one, you're going to have this. Sometimes if your money enters through goods and services, they are going to hold it. Okay, so I don't want you to panic. Okay, because right here, as you can see, what you need to do for you to get your money faster is to confirm your mobile number, is to add your verify your bank account or debit card, which I just taught you, and I showed you exactly how to add the bank to PayPal and verify all those things. And then you need to process up to 10 payments for goods and services, and then process 161.80. This is the fee. So these are the criteria in order for you not to get in order for them to release your funds faster. So yeah, so it's a fairly new account. You need to note that. So now that we have a PayPal account functioning and we also have a Geekpay account functioning, we need to be able to link one to one. So we're going to link Geekpay to PayPal. So I've shown you exactly how to link that. So once you have them linked up right now, if this money comes to this available balance, then I can now withdraw this money to my Geekpay. Okay, so because right here I can buy these funds for as low as 1,000 naira or 1,200 from people, and then I'll come to this platform called Geekpay.Africa and sell it. Okay, and sell it almost 1,500, 1,600. Okay, so yeah, so this is the platform we are going to sell it, because right there from PayPal you're going to transfer your money to the US bank account of this Geekpay, and from here you can now convert the funds to naira, and then you send to wherever you want to send the money to, and then have your profit here with you. So that's exactly how to do this arbitrage. Pretty much very simple, and all the things you need is PayPal and Geekpay. If you don't want to use Geekpay, you can use other ones like Payoneer, but you still want to, once you receive the fund through Payoneer, you still have to send it to us. Okay, so this is exactly how to go about PayPal arbitrage business. So you have a PayPal account, have a Geekpay account, link their two up, buy PayPal funds. If you don't know how to buy PayPal funds, I've made a lot of videos on the channel to show you exactly how to get PayPal funds from so many forum websites or wherever you get your stuff, and then you can go ahead now to transfer money from PayPal to Geekpay in order for you to change it in a higher rate and make your profit. So if you have any question, tell me in the comment section. This video was simple and direct and straight to the point. And then yes, so if you have any question, ask me so I can ask you how to do it. So thank you very much for watching. I'll see you guys on my next one.